Hi, I'm Raghav Chartli and I joined the Cavalier Institute on 22nd June, and these are the online batches that I take. So I won't compare it with other institutions because I've never been to other institute. But yeah, I'll be telling about these good things that I found in the Cavalier Institute. Starting from the subjects, I'd say that English may Goldie Mam's been a really great support cause her tactic and her strategy of teaching this subject has been really great. Her first strategy that I really like is कि she tells 4 to 5 vocabulary words or idioms every day, and the reason behind this is cause हम एक ही दिन में vocabulary नहीं सीख सकते, पूरी dictionary याद नहीं कर सकते, and so it is true for idioms also. So this thing has definitely helped me to go through these vocabulary and idioms that I usually faced problems, but नाउ आई फील बेटर क्योंकि काफ़ी वर्ड्स नए इंटरेस्टिंग सीखने को मिले, एंड ऑल्सो इडियम्स. Also the fear of the paper when we see it was really heightened, and to reduce this we usually do previous year question papers on Saturday. This is for every Saturday that we discuss every previous year question paper for English. This really helps us to know how to solve the English paper. So there I'll say that this was a great thing to do by English ma'am. So next is maths, and Shekhar sir is definitely a great support. He's been a mentor all these days that I've spent during his video lectures. I felt as if I was there and I was watching sir in front of me. His The way he motivates is definitely a plus point, cause not only during the classes, even after the classes on WhatsApp group, he's sending us voice notes to tell us how much he has done for us and how much he expects, and also that he's always been a motivational support for us. Also writing messages, always reading our messages and replying back, as in the questions he's always solving them and replying back, making short videos regarding the tricks and questions. uh, I won't say that maths is a difficult subject or is a boring subject, but it is definitely a interesting subject. But the way it has created its hype during this NDA एग्ज़ाम, सो ऑब्वियसली कि सब सोचते हैं कि एक तरफ पूरा NDA का मैथ्स है और एक तरफ सारे सब्जेक्ट अलग से आते हैं. सो वहाँ एक डर क्रिएट होता है जिसको सर ने बहुत बहुत लाइटली और बहुत पॉजिटिव मैनर में हमें डाल के उससे गो थ्रू करा है. जो असाइनमेंट्स हमें मिलते हैं आर रियली हेल्पफुल फ्रॉम द कैवलियर इंस्टीट्यूट. जो बुकलेट्स मिलती हैं, जो DPP करते हैं हम लोग, जितने भी सर क्वेश्चंस बनाने को कहते हैं, आर रियली हेल्पफुल. On to the next subject is science, and Reshma ma'am, the best thing that I find about Reshma ma'am is कि her way of teaching makes science easy. Because साइंस में अब जैसे बायो, फिज़िक्स और केमिस्ट्री इतना ज़्यादा हाई लेवल का भी नहीं आता है, स्पेशली टॉकिंग अबाउट बायो. सो वो बहुत ईजिली पढ़ा देती है और हमें पता चलता है कि हमने कितनी सारी चीज़ें कवर कर ली साथ में एक ही चीज़ में. और हम सोच के आते हैं कि आज ये वाला चैप्टर होगा, बट करते कराते हम एक दो चीज़ें और कर जाते हैं और हमें पता भी नहीं चलता, एंड दैट्स जस्ट ग्रेट. और उसके बाद मूविंग ऑन टू SST, द बेस्ट थिंग इज़ दैट they have divided their staff according to the subjects. They have given different subjects to different teachers. I wouldn't doubt anything that the teachers teach. Obviously अगर मुझे एक टीचर भी सब पढ़ा देगा, I have no problem, but this dividing of staff tells how well they have managed it and how they know कि this is the best teacher for this subject. And one more, the best thing that I find about this is for every SST teacher, for whether for the geography, whether for the history or pole science teacher, or for the economics teacher. The best thing is that they teach us in such a way कि कोई भी question आए तो we can do it. They teach us in a way जिसमें हम यूपीएससी के हिसाब से पढ़ा रहे हैं. दे आर गिविंग अस डीप नॉलेज, क्योंकि एनडीए में जितना उनको पता है कि कम आता है, पर फिर भी वो एक्स्ट्रा बताते हैं सो दैट आगे के लिए भी. एंड प्लस फॉर द वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो, इवन इफ वी फेस द हार्डेस्ट पेपर, तो उनको पता है कि उन्होंने इतना डीप पढ़ा रखा है कि वी कैन टैकल इट. So these are the few things that I like about the Cavalier Institute, and definitely Cavalier Institute has been helpful for me to go through this exam. I am still now very scared about the exam, but passing through the days with this mentorship of these teachers, I really find great of these teachers, and also find myself in a very better situation, cause uh, I think that अब थोड़ा I can do the NDA paper. और that's all. Thank you.